Hey, Matt from Roof Racks Galore, and this is the Darche Flat Pack Chair. It's a full height camp chair that has a nice lightweight frame and it packs down flat, so it stores incredibly well, especially when space is limited. Despite being lightweight and compact, it does have a 150 kilo load rating, which means it's confidence inspiring and supportive when you sit down. Once unfolded, the chair locks into place quickly and stays nice and sturdy. A great thing about the chair is it's got the full back support as well, so if you're hanging around camp a little bit longer or you've got the whole day at the kids' sport, this is a great option to have with you. And because it folds completely flat, it can easily slip into your camp bag or storage without needing to take up a great deal of space. It also does include a quick release cup holder because every good camp chair needs a cup holder. Another cool feature as well is up the top, you'll see there is this nice little headrest that you can just flip out of the way if you don't want it, but it's great if you are hanging around camp a little bit longer. And so that is the Darche Flat Pack Chair.